Well, it's that time. The day that you get in your car and it makes some clicking sounds. And that's because your battery's dead. So this battery is original to the truck. That makes it about 6 years old, and you can see there's a lot of corrosion going on. I actually just cleaned this last night, hoping that maybe it was a connection issue, but it is not. It's time for a new battery. So we're gonna unhook this, and we're gonna take the battery out and go get a new one. All you need here is a 5/16 wrench, and we're just gonna unscrew these. Super easy. Then we're going to disconnect the terminals. Kind of popping up my terminals here because they are on there way good. Okay, so once they're loose enough, just give them a shake. Get those off. Yeah, I mean, this battery, totally dead. Oof. So I'll spend some time cleaning that. I gotta go get a new battery, so I'll pick up a wire brush. That one there. Okay, push that out of the way. And now we'll take this one off. So I put a stereo in here. So I've got this fuse kind of blocking the battery. So I'm gonna cut this zip tie here and move this out of the way. I'm gonna cut this with a Microtech Ultratech from 2003. All right, we got the connectors pulled off the posts, and they are out of the way. Now the next step is to remove the battery. Now, if you tug on your battery, it's in there pretty good. Why? Because it's bolted down. So you've got this over here, and this holds a block. You can't really see this in the video very well, but this has a block that holds the lip of the battery down to the chassis of the car. So we've got to pull this out. This is an 8mm socket. Fit right on there. And we're going to loosen this beast up. Probably not super fun to watch me do this the entire time. But too bad, because this video's got to be 8 minutes now. Just kidding. Okay, got that pulled out. Throw it down here with the rest of my favorite things. I'm going to run some cord through here, and I'm going to just lift this battery straight out. I guess this paracord is my friend today. So I'm going to loop this between these two parts, and I'm going to pull the battery up. And we will run over to O'Reilly and grab a new battery. Okay, so picked up this battery. I'm gonna tell you a story while I haul this. So I forgot my wallet. I've forgotten my wallet a couple times lately. I'm not really sure how that keeps happening, but what I've noticed, and I think maybe it's related to COVID, is that everybody's just like, do you know your number? You can just give it to me, I'll type it in. Look at this stuff, this is so cool. We've got battery cleaner, battery terminal protection spray. Of course, we've got this. I really like this brush. You can clean out the inside of the connectors, and then it's got the terminal brush. Scratch that down. These are gonna go in between the post and the connector. Those will look nice. I'm gonna go give everything a really good clean. Put the new battery in here. I'm gonna secure it back down, and we'll reconnect everything and see if the truck turns on. And the felt on there, felt's here. We'll put these back on. That should do it. Whoa. Moment of truth. This should start right up. Oh yeah. So that's it, friends. We have now replaced the battery on a 2014 Raptor. And I'm gonna secure this back here where it goes, and I'm gonna clean this mess up, and that is gonna be it. I will give you a quick little teaser for something cool. Those ain't mushrooms, kids. We'll catch you next time.